emotions while at work, while you caused commotions when your emotions went berserk. Like on the dock when you punched yourself in the head, because to no one's shock you went for Billings instead. You said you'd knock him out and leave him for dead, while on the clock you should've watched what you said. That just got you mocked when that story was spread. Everyone said lock him up and put him on meds, make him kick rocks and report him to the feds. They knew you were a crock cause you lied, misled. They heard about the stockroom with that troll behind the bed, but it was me you blocked like I caused all of your dread. I wasn't the reason everyone found out. I doubt you learned that if you have a secret don't shout. Then that stout little trout tried to find out what I was about, cause throughout your life your girls could never stay devout. You should have arranged some changes in your life. You could have exchanged your derangement for a wife. Remember when I hooked up with Jessie on the PlayStation chat? I thought things would get messy when she said you were too fat. I refined my grinds and signed sponsors till I resigned. You stayed confined and just reclined until your mind declined.